Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a device to the Bluetooth system in this BMW 7 Series. First thing we do is make sure Bluetooth is on. So that's on there. Then we go to telephone, click telephone from any screen. See there, configuration of Bluetooth telephone services, add new device, or the phones that are connected. So we want to add new device. Please use your Bluetooth device to start search. It's showing hands-free, but then it'll change. Yes, it's changed to BMW 5529, so we click on that. It's asking me for a pin. So for ease, 0000 pair. You only have to do it once, and then it brings up a screen there. So again, 0000, and then select OK. Click OK. Connecting. I don't want it to allow my contacts, but you will. So I'll click Don't Allow there, and connected Barry's iPhone 10. That's it. That's it done.